Imagine waking up, walking outside, and just standing in the sunlight to get your energy for the day. No breakfast, no lunch, no grocery bills. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if humans could photosynthesize like plants? Let's break it down. Photosynthesis is how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. If humans could do the same, we'd basically become solar-powered. But here's the twist, our bodies weren't built for it. To produce the energy we need through photosynthesis, the surface area of our skin would have to be absolutely massive. You'd probably need skin like a giant leaf, or maybe even be the size of a tree, just to make enough energy to walk around. Even if we somehow evolved to be green and had chlorophyll in our skin, you'd still need to stand in the sun for hours just to generate enough energy for basic movement. A human typically burns around 2,000 calories a day. A leaf, on the other hand, produces way less. So if we relied only on photosynthesis, we'd probably be super slow, very skinny, and live like sloths, just lying around all day soaking up sunlight. But let's say we made it work. No hunger, no farming, no food waste. That could change everything. Entire industries, agriculture, food delivery, restaurants, might not even exist. Obesity and malnutrition? Gone. Food wars and starvation? Things of the past. We wouldn't need to cook, store, or even chew. That extra time could go into creativity, learning, or just relaxing under the sun. However, there would be trade-offs. Sunlight would become our lifeline. People living in cold or cloudy regions might struggle to survive. We'd migrate based on sunlight instead of seasons or jobs. Cities might be designed around open sunlight access, with massive reflective panels to help everyone get their daily dose. Shade could become dangerous instead of comforting. And what about nighttime? We might have to power down completely or store sunlight like a battery. Social dynamics would shift too. Imagine solar parks full of people just standing still for hours, getting their energy. Leisure and nutrition would blend into one. Productivity might be limited by the weather. And in places where sunlight is scarce, there could be a new form of inequality, energy poverty. So, could humans ever truly photosynthesize? Probably not without a major biological rewrite. But imagining it reveals how dependent we are on food, and how much our bodies, society, and even cities are shaped around eating. What would you do if you didn't need to eat anymore, just stand in the sun and recharge? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this thought experiment fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wishes their lunch break was optional.